National hero or my favorite personality or the personality I like the most. Leaders are born, not made. History is rich with the name of national heroes. It is natural for men to love great men. Carlyle said, all history is the biography of men. It is these heroes that determine the course of events. They remind us that we can make our lives sublime. There have been many heroes in our history, such as Tariq bin Ziyad, Khalid bin Walid, and Babur, etc. Zahiruddin Babur. But my hero in the history is the Quaid Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. I like him because he had all qualities of a hero and because he gave us Pakistan. Quaid Azam was born at Karachi on 25th of December 1876. He received his early education from a local maktab. He passed his entrance examination in 1891. Next year, he sailed off to England and returned home in 1896 as a barrister at law. His political career started in 1910 when he was elected from Bombay as a member of the Indian Legislative Council. In 1930, he joined the Muslim League and worked for it. He united the Muslims of India on one platform. Under his supreme guidance and leadership, the Muslims of subcontinent wanted a separate state where they could live according to their faith. He worked day and night to achieve that goal. In 1947, after his tireless efforts, we got Pakistan. He became the first Governor General of the country. He used to say, think 100 times before you take a decision. But once the decision is taken, stand by it as one man. He died on 11th September 1948. He is no more with us, but his sayings are there to guide us. We can pay homage to our beloved leader by serving our country with selfless affection. I love my hero and pray for him that may God bless him eternal peace and parasite.